Let's do question 5. Here's question 5 of the MCert inequalities worksheet. We've got 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So it's going to be in between the two critical values this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all solve for x. So I'm just going to write straight into the brackets because I'm going to use the division method, which allows me to get there really quickly. So I'm going to say, well, 3 times 2, 3 2 is 6 factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. So I've got my 3x here and I've got my 3x here. Okay, signs are the same and they're both positive. So let's have a look. We've got what adds to 7? Well, 2 and 3 doesn't add to 7, but 1 and 6 does. So I'm going to put my 6 over here, my 1 over here, and that works well. So that, of course, will only be true if I divided all of that by 3. So that means that we've got a 3x plus 1, and we've got 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into x plus 2 times, and that's 0. So I'm going to solve straight away. I'm not going to worry about putting all the calculations in there. So we've got either x is negative 2 or x is going to be negative 1/3. There it is. All right. So that works out well. All right. So let's have a look. Let's see what that looks like on the parabola. We draw our parabola. Here it is. So we've got a negative 2 and a negative 1/3. There's my negative 1/3 and my negative 2's over here. My parabola is going to look something like this. It's going to go up there. It's going to cross over here. And one of the worst parabolas ever. But you know what I mean. All right. It's going to be less than or equal to 0. So it's going to, because it's going to be equal to as well. It's going to include these 2 points. But because it's less than, it's going to be all the points in the middle here. So if I drew my number line, here's my number line. Here it is straight underneath. Got my number line. Here's my 0 point. Here's my negative 1/3. Here's my negative 2 points. So it's going to be in between, including the 2 points though, because it's less than or equal to. So it's going to include those 2 points. There it is. So I'm going to say x is going to be less than or equal to negative 1/3 and greater than or equal to negative 2. And there is my solution.